Topa is professional supplier of hydraulic hoses, hydraulic fittings, and other related products. It is widely used in transportation, construction, agriculture, industrial, mining, and so on. We are a one-stop provider for hydraulic solutions. With many years of experience, Topa have provided customers with high quality, customized, packaged, and cost-effective hydraulic components. Our products meet international standards, advanced technology, and highly advanced equipment, which make we have a strict quality control system. From material to first fitting test, size test, random check, thread 100% test, galvanization, and before package and before shipping test, ensuring long lifetime. Quality is not only limited to our each process products. It must also be present in each of the services offered and in the process of our management. Topa's customers are the lifeblood of the business and the entire structure. We are always focused on the success of you and your company. We exceed your expectations and help you put your mind at ease, offer technical support, cost-effective solutions to help you reduce downtime, keeping operation costs to a minimum. Huge range of items on stock. Ensure us offers same-day delivery in stock. Reach up to 500,000 each month. Ensure fast delivery time. Topa welcome all queries all over the world, whether related to a purchase or not. We provide tailor-made solutions, thinking of your business as our own. Make it easy for you to run your business.